Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is New Manhwa, Flower of Youth. Chapter 4. I'll never let you disappear again. The feeling of having to live without Kan. I won't let it happen again. Don't be stubborn. Pob, you're grown up now. You can't act stubborn like a kid anymore. And Kan is no longer the same person who would do whatever Pob wanted like before. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to drop off Tavan and for helping me shop for the store. Step. But please don't do this again, Pob. Let's part ways here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for having to be harsh. I'm sorry that I made you sad, Pob. Even though I just wants to hold you tight. And wants to shout out loud that I miss you more than anything in the world. But now, it really can't be like that anymore. I'm really sorry.
Ding dong.
I'm here, ringing the bell this much. Did you really miss me that much? Yawn, sleepy, creak. Kipravi, where's Perfob? Bang. Why are you asking me about your own sister? If you don't know, how would I know? But you are a Perfob's close friends, who she tells everything to, more than she tells me. Then you must know where that Perfob disappeared to again today. I really don't know where Pob went, but the reason I gave you the keycard is so that you can come and go as you please. So you can go complain to me inside my room instead of standing here looking all cute for everyone to see. So, come inside the room before the landlord starts complaining, okay? Yawn. A blanket. Are you sleeping on the sofa again? I just got back from editing the room at 4 am, too lazy to go upstairs, so I just slept here. Then why did you buy a 2-story condo? If you're going to work so hard that you are too tired to walk like this. Covering up. Give some of the bed's salary to the sofa. Peek. Obviously, the sofa works harder than the bed, it even has its own blanket. Grab. If it were an office worker, it would probably get rich doing OT. Glance. Just missing a bolster, let me hug you instead. My outfit is completely crumpled already. I'll iron it for you later, or you can wear mine. But let me sleep first. I'm really tired. So, will I ever find out where Perfob went? She fell asleep. I guess I'll have to tell Mom that no one's free tonight. Maybe. I'm sorry, Mom, but I don't want to be apart from this amazing person. Now good night, Peak Pitti. Flower founder. Ok, this stock for this round is all set. Suddenly. Oh, she went back already. Thought she's even more stubborn than this. But it's good with her now, I guess. Suddenly. Growing up to be like this is the best. Can you drop the cloth on the floor? Thank you. Are you about to go to work, Freen? Today, I have the day off, so I can help you to delivering flowers. Oh, then please come inside first, we just got new flowers in. Thought it'd be someone else. Hello, are you working late today? It's fine. I'm free, so I can wait here. Ok, see you later. It's already this late. Why hasn't Tavan come back yet? Hello, this is Tavan's guardian speaking. May I ask if there's an event at school today? It's already evening, but Tavan still hasn't come home. Tavan left at 4 pm, Mom. He left at 4 pm. How did he get home? Did he go back by himself? No, someone came to pick him up. Grab. Someone picked him up. Who could it be? He said she was a close friend of his mom and you trust her. Worried. Then we saw the car that picked him up. Was the same one that dropped off you and your son this morning. Whoosh. Can. Are you heading out?
Hello, Mommy. Mommy, look. Auntie took me to buy toys, and I even got a rare one. Can I bring it to play with my friends tomorrow, Mommy?
My son is back now. Thank you very much. Tavan's homeroom teacher. So you came home late because you went to buy toys. Tavan, go upstairs and do your homework first. I need to talk to Aunt Pio.
Mommy.
I said, go upstairs. Tavan, you can go upstairs first. Let me talk to your mom for a bit.
Okay, Auntie.
Crestfallen. Are you mad that I picked up Tavan without telling you first? I'm sorry for not being considerate, which caused you to worry about your child this much. From now on, I'll think things through more carefully. Initially, I just planned to pick him up and take him home directly. But I saw Tavan standing and watching his friends play with toys while he had none. So I decided to take Tavan to buy one too. Why did you do this? It's just that Tavan's eyes, when he could only watch his friends play, looked so pitiful. I just wanted him to have toys like the other kids, that's all. This isn't your business. I told you not to interfere, I can take care of my kid myself. I told you to stop meddling with me. Do you want to bring trouble into your life? Why don't you think things through? You are a famous celebrity now, Bob. There are so many people watching and following your every move. Are you not listening? One small mistake, and your life could change forever. Why are you still so stubborn? You don't care about such trivial things. Can you stop being so self-centered, Bob? You are not a kid anymore. I'm still a kid. I'm still the same foolish kid who couldn't confess their first love in time to show how much she liked her. I'm still stuck as the kid from the day she failed to confess to Kan in time. Many years ago. Are you really going to Korea, Kan? He just called to say that Kan passed the audition. When will you go? He said to go next Nate. Next month. But we haven't even finished grade 12 by then, have we? Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is new Manhwa, Flower of Youth. Chapter 5. Kan call. Not picking up again. How many calls has it been already? I don't know, just look for yourself. Swish. Kan's already gone. Suddenly. Let me ask you honestly, do you think doing this is the right thing? Have you even considered how Kan feels about you being like this? Your friend's about to succeed, she's going to become a singer in Korea, for real. But instead of being happy for her, you are ignoring Kan like this. Have you thought about how awful Kan must feel about leaving for Korea, even though it's a good thing? She's the one who cares about you the most. You should be the first person to congratulate her. Why wouldn't I be happy for her? But I don't want to be apart from Kan. I just don't want to live my life without her by my side like that. In the past, aside from you, no one wanted to be my friend because I'm boring. But Kan, the school star, chose to be friends with me first. Kan made the teacher praise me a lot, where before that, no one cared about me at all. Very impressive, Bob Panus. Even when I had fights with my family, it was Kan who stepped in to talk to my parents and helped them understand. We're sorry, sweetie. Since I met Kan, my life became better and no longer felt lonely. But if she leaves, what'll happen to my life? How will I keep going? I know you are upset, but you can't take it out on Kan like this. As your friend, I'll be by your side. Don't worry, Perk. Even if we're at different schools, I won't let you feel lonely. So don't let your own issues make you part ways without understanding each other, Bob. Because no matter what, Kan is still your precious first love. I know that if I go to Korea, it'll be the same as not finishing high school. But this is an opportunity. If I don't seize it, I don't know if I'll ever get another one. If I go to Korea, I'll finally be able to fulfill the promise we made to become singers together, right? Singers together. That basically means you're chasing our dream alone. But whatever, going there is probably better anyway. Congrats. As for our dreams, everyone follows their own path. I'll try my best. Prank call. Bob, all our friends are sending Kan off at the airport. Are you really not coming? Well, right now, everyone is only asking me about Kan, huh? Unbelievable, Pop Panus. What? We know how heartbroken you are about being separated from Kan and how you're feeling right now that Kan won't be here anymore. I'm really sorry, I thought you were just showing off and ended up scolding you so harshly. It sounds like you, but can't you at least apologize in person? Just help send her off, okay, Bob? Can's gone now, but the one thing she asked us to promise was to take care of you and be a good friend until we graduate. That's why I'm begging you to please help send Can off to support her dream. Can you help send off the friend who had the most hope and love for you? I'm on my way. Tell Can that I'm on my way. Prank call. Are you close yet, Aob? Stuck. It's almost time. Can hasn't left yet, right? Not yet, but she's about to. She has to enter the gate by 9. Completely stuck. I'm rushing there. Tell Can to wait for me, I'm stuck in traffic. The battery is getting low, 5% remaining. My battery's running out. I'll hang up now and hurry there. Okay, make it on time, Bob. Damn it, Bob. In a situation like this, you forgot to charge your phone. But please, just let me make it in time. Suddenly, at the very least, I just want to say goodbye. Step. Prank. Come to gate 10. We've already told Can that you are on your way. Don't go anywhere, Can Thiva. I'm here 10 minutes, so don't leave just yet. Don't just walk away like that. Can Thiva, I'm here. Can call. You're here. Thank you. I'm sorry. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being so silent. Hide. Sorry that I couldn't congratulate you more, Can. Yeah, I'm sorry too, for not staying by your side to pursue our dreams together like we promised. Don't apologize. It's so much better than what we dreamed of together. You made it all the way to Korea, that's absolutely amazing. As for you, Can, you've achieved so much, that's the best. As for me, I'll work hard to follow the dreams and wait for you here. And also, there's something I want to say, but if you don't want to hear it, that's okay. What is it? Didn't you say before that I'm talented? If I'm truly like something, I'll do it well. Yeah, do you think our story is a good one, Can? What do you mean? What I wanted to say is, I thump. Run out of battery. Extinguish. Intimate. We have to go, Can Nim. We have to go, Can. I see. Wait, I'm not done talking yet. Please turn off your phone right now. Please turn off your phone right now. Let's go faster, Can Nim. But just 1 minute's fine. I just need to say those words to Can. Stumble, hurry, Bob. The words I've kept since the first day we met. Just to say how much I've liked you all this time. Is that too much to ask? Amazing. Bob's voice should be recorded in the history of the music industry. Singing this beautifully without ever taking formal lessons is incredible. This is clearly natural talent. Maybe because I'm not good at anything, so God gave me this voice to use. You are saying that again. I already told you that you are talented. It's just because you don't like it, so you are not interested. Fuck. But if you like it, you'll do it well. Just like how you like singing. I want everyone in the world to hear your voice. The whole world. Isn't that too much? It's not because I'm sure anyone who hears Bob's voice will surely like it as much as I do. In the past, Can has only ever done good things for me. But I can't seem to do anything good for Can. Not even a little. That was a hard fall. Does it hurt a lot? Bob, are you alright? I can't even tell Can I like her face to face. Hug. That's why this time, I won't miss the chance to let Can know how much I like you. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manwa, Flower of Youth. Chapter 6. Flower Founder. Closed. I don't wanna make the same mistake as back then. Step. Even if you reject me. Retreat. Or even if you push me away. But Bob, don't do this again. Even if you say, don't interfere 100 more times. I can tell you, I'll be stubborn enough to make it happen for the 101st time. To make up for the more than 10 years that were lost. Until you soften your heart. Even if it takes decades, I'll still do the same. I only want to stand in front of you like this. Standing in front of the woman who is my first love and only love. And if I'm not just imagining things, Can, you're like Bob, right? I'm not. Turn. Don't avoid eye contact. Gulp. If you're going to deny that I'm wrong. Swipe. Look into my eyes and say it. Are you really not going to listen to what I say? Grip. I'm worried about you, about your work, about your reputation. You are not going to listen to me at all, are you? Then why was the girl who was the school star and was told to hang out with others still insist on approaching that gloomy-looking new student? Grab. Why was Can there by my side when Bob was struggling? If you want to reject me today, Can would have to go back 10 years. Go back and tell that girl not to make the new student named Bob fall in love with her. Because 10 years later, that new student would still only love Can. Can you do that? Tilt. You can't do it, right? Then Can has to take responsibility for how stubborn I'm being now. Why are you so fixated? Haven't you seen all the news about how so many people like you, Bob? Why do you still choose me? I don't see how you understand anything at all, even though you've no idea where I disappeared to. I'm not even sure if, after all this time, we can still get along. Then why? Then how about you let me try to win you over again? Let me prove to you whether we can truly love each other or not. Your past, if you don't want to talk about it, I won't ask or interfere at all. But right now, you're single. Please let me take care of you and your kid. Sigh. Are you sure this is what you want? I already told you, I'm not the same Can who would always give in to you like before. Squeeze. You might regret waiting for me all this time. The thing I regret the most has already happened. I want to refuse just being able to meet you again and stay close to you. Because I worry about a future where I might hurt you. There's nothing to regret anymore. I really want to reject Bob and tell her not to come closer. Looking back, I realized I felt the same as Bob Panus. I miss Pooh a lot. As well, I probably can't reject her anymore. Can this be considered as giving permission to kiss? When did I ever say I gave your permission? Tilt. But we've already kissed, and I still don't have your permission. It was my first kiss, you know. Ears drooping, tail down. I've seen you act in MV with kissing scenes quite often, so it means you're okay being flirted like that, right? No, that's not true. That's just work, it's different. Panic. Everyone's just a coworker, I've never thought of them that way at all. But if you don't like it, I'll be careful from now on that I won't. Kiss. Blush. I was just teasing you, don't think too much. Just focus on doing your best in your role, that's enough. Tap. Can back then was just so bright and cheerful. It was already hard for me to resist. But this version of Can, who's figuring out how to win my heart, this is. What did Korean dramas teach this woman? Dripping sweats. Wow, auntie lost. That's right, haha. Dinner's ready. Both of you, come eat quickly. Okay. Today there's steamed eggs, my favorite. Wow, it's like a fancy restaurant. I promised Tavan that I'd cook his favorite Korean food today, but you could eat it, right? Yes, I can eat a wider variety of foods now than before. I just need to working out in case I get a sponsorship deal. Smile. So, who's the real first grade here? Looks delicious. Tavan, what do you need to do before eating? Wash my hands. He's such a good boy. Mum, he's an obedient and easygoing kid. Let me help. Oh, thank you. And is it tiring for you? Taking care of a kid all by yourself like this? At first, it was a bit chaotic because I had to adjust a lot, but once I got the hang of it, it got better. I'm lucky that Tavan has never been stubborn or caused any trouble. Can I also be one of your blessings? Suddenly. From now on, if you're in trouble or need anything, you can always tell me. Don't hesitate, okay? Even if I can tell you everything, there still have to be boundaries. Anything that impacts your work, I absolutely won't interfere. I'm sticking to what I said, that your image is still the most important thing. It's your own career after all, Bob. Because this is something we're still discussing, don't come out just yet, no matter what. I understand why you're still hiding yourself. But if you have any troubles, I'd love to help. You have me now, Can. I should help your life better. Then if there's really anything, I'll tell you. But you also need to take care of yourself, okay? And now it's time to eat. Singer Bob, go wash your hands quickly. Fixers, Roger that, Mommy. Teasing me her, just you wait. Thank you for the dinner, Can. It was really delicious. Yeah, let me know when you get home, Bob. Auntie, I really want to thank you for today, right? See you later, Auntie. Mommy. Yes, Mommy. You are not mad at Auntie Bob anymore, right? Mommy, can't get mad at her. Just like how Mommy has never been mad at you, Darwin. Bob family's house. Sneaking. Where have you been? This voice. Hey, bro. Hey, what's up? You came too. I heard Mom said she cooked a lot today. So, how is it? Delicious, huh? Your mom's dinner session ended an hour ago. She's probably already in the shower now. Now it's time for AQEA with Bob Panus. Snap. Where did you go? Ah, don't hit me. No. Talk. Glance. Side glance. Ding. Round 1, start. Why, I saw you two just staring at each other without moving, so I thought you needed a referee. Are you still joking around? Your friend's about to get eaten alive by her own little sister, Whisper. No need to bare your fangs at peak, but. What do you mean baring fangs? I was just smiling. Yeah, right, nod your head. With her sister, she's super strict, but when it comes to her sister's friend, she's always protecting her. Whose little sister is she really? Bob. Do you have something to say to Prom? You know how busy you've been lately that rarely get a break. But the big concert just ended, so you finally get some rest, and Mom figured you be coming over, so she prepared dinner for you. Dad even took leave from work because he thought he'd get to see you too. But you disappeared since the morning. I tried everything, called you, but you didn't answer. In the end, Dad and Mom couldn't wait any longer and went to bed. Can you try explaining your reason to Prom? What important matter made you neglect family time like this, Rove? Pressed lips. Calm down, Prom. Bob didn't mean to. I went to find my first love. My first love who disappeared from me for 10 years. I went to find that person. I went to find them to ask for a chance to take care of them. Or you could say that I'm courting them. You, really. I'm sorry to Dad and Mom for coming late. Jolted. Perforb, did you know we were here? Yeah, I heard footsteps coming down the stairs. Haha, we also heard a kid's voice, so we decided to come down and see you, but since the atmosphere felt a bit strange, we didn't dare to interrupt. Yeah, right. Your dad and I will wait in our room so your kids can talk. It's fine, Mom. Bob think this is something everyone should know. Mom and Dad, please sit with us. We're seated now. Perform, if you have something to say, just say it, dear. F.O. This house, it feels warm and cozy but also kinda stiff, like something out of a cartoon. It's weird. I'm not sure if everyone still remember Can, Bob's high school friend. Of course, I remember. She was Bob's important friend, after all. Dad remembers too. And I still remember Bob telling us that Can went to Korea to become an actor, but in the end, she just disappeared. Yeah, and the reason I was late is because I went to find Can. So when you said you went to find your first love, you mean? Yes, Can. Can Thiwa is my first love. What I trying to say is I like women, or you just call it love. You said it that directly. I don't see the need to beat around the bush. I'm not a kid anymore. Aren't you afraid of being judged? I was probably afraid before, but Can made me realize what kind of people my parents truly are. What do you mean? Surprise. Well, when I told Mom that I had liked Can since we were in school together, she was totally fine with it, and Dad was too. See, my love, I was right. Back then, Bob was sad because she had to separate from the person she loved, not just from a friend. But, well, back then, I was always out in the forest. How would I have known who our kid liked? Besides, whenever I saw little Can, she was always busy doing homeworks. I wasn't around our kid as much as you were. Well, it sounds like a Bob's family perfectly. So that means you didn't get scolded or anything. Not really, they just asked how Can has been doing and then talked about Peyton that owed them money. But I did ask back if my parents were okay with the fact that I don't like men. My mom said that seeing me cry because I wasn't happy was the worst thing. Also, Can was someone who once helped our family, so if I'm okay being with you, then my mom's okay too. Step. Dad also agreed and said that his kid's happiness, the most important thing, is expected from my family. So simple. That's really nice. Mommy, who are you talking to? Twinkle. A. Oh, Crov. What's up, Tavern? Closed. You woke up earlier. No, I mean, good morning. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.